So here we are going to demonstrate about hybrid power generation system using footstep and solar based. So the major components of our project are footstep power generation, which will be working with the help of an rack and pinion mechanism, and with the help of tension spring inside these contain pipes, it is going to move to and fro. So with the help of the rack and pinion, we are going to generate the voltage. So this generated voltage will be stored into the lead acid battery by using the charging circuit. So this terminal will be connected to the charging circuit pin. So whenever it moves to, it is going to generate the voltage. When it is coming through, it is also going to generate the voltage. So like this, we are going to demonstrate the footstep power generation system. And whereas coming to the solar light, so here you can see when I rotated it, the voltage generated from the solar panel is given as an input to the charging circuit, through which the lead acid battery is getting charged. And from this battery, we are going to turn on the street light. At the same time, the entire electronic components. So here we are going to use an node MCU circuit, which consists of an inbuilt Wi-Fi module, and there is an voltage sensor over here. The voltage present in the battery will be displayed on the I2C LCD display, and this is the regulated power supply section, which is going to convert 12 volts DC to plus 5 volts and give input voltage to this I2C LCD display, node MCU board, and voltage sensor. So here when you turn on the switch, so there you can see the Wi-Fi is being connected. So there is a mobile application and hotspot where we can able to connect the system. So initially you have to go to the hotspot settings and turn on the hotspot. So the username and password is already written in the code. So here you can see the device has been connected. So the username is project123 and the password is 128, and it should be at 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Okay, so the connected devices IP address will be showing on this LCD screen. So the same IP address need to be entered into the mobile application called serial Wi-Fi terminal. So there is an application called serial Wi-Fi terminal. In this, you just have to enter the IP address over here, and port is 80, and by selecting it, here you can see the data which is coming from the battery is shown on this LCD display, and the same data is serial print into the mobile application. So like this, the data will be transmitted to this mobile application, and when you press the footstep, it will starts to count. Okay. So like this, the counts will be increased on depending on the steps we are going to press. So that is happening with the help of the limit switch, where it will be pressed with the help of the rack, and the count will be displayed on the mobile application and the system. So this is how the battery can be charged while generating the voltage, and the footsteps can be calculated. And coming to the solar light, so here there is an on-off switch. So when you turn on the switch, the light gets activated. So when there is sunlight falling on this the system automatically disconnects. So when it again doesn't detect the sunlight, the light gets activated. So like this, you can on and off the light. So when there is an movement of the person, the intensity is also gets increased and decreased. So this is how the intensity control is also been demonstrated. When it detects the person, the intensity of the light is also get increased. When it doesn't detect any person, the intensity of the light gets dim. So like this, it becomes an advantage also to save the battery life in the system. Thank you.